So hello, last time I changed brake disc and brake pads for my Vauxhall Insignia, and I noticed when I changed rear brake disc and brake pads that piston in the caliper in really bad condition. It's corroded and it's broken. Not really broken, it's corroded, and there is some another damages. So I bought on eBay a new one, and today I will replace it. Bear with me, and I will show you and how it will look like when you never touch it before. I believe it will be fun. Let's do this. So, first of all, as usual, I have to unscrew brake caliper, release it. It's pretty simple. Should be this bolt, and that's it. It should come off. And also, I have to take off this hose, this brake pipe. So yeah, let's start it. To in proper way disconnect this hose, I saw some video advice on YouTube from one person who I believe is a mechanic, and he said that I have to push by 1 inch brake pedal, and in this case I'm not sure about mechanism, but the main cylinder, main brake cylinder, should block somehow this hose, and it will not drip off from this pipe, brake pipe. I don't know. Let's try this. We'll see how to do this. Not us how to do this. We'll see how it will look like. Okay. For this purpose, I believe I have to first of all to find something. I believe this one will be great enough to do this. So what I want to do is just use my seat to do this, like so, I believe. No, this is too much, I think. Up. I believe this will be about 1 inch. Let's try. We'll see how it's look like. Oh, but first, I bought a special drip tray to prevent any mess. It looks like this. Let's see how it will work. I believe it should be okay. And this tray will collect all extra And this tray will collect all extra brake fluid, which I believe will be drip anyway. So I believe these two trays will prevent any mess on the ground and protect it, and all extra brake fluid will came here, and we will leave everything clean. And it's working, no drip at all. It's working, yeah. Just couple of drip and that's it. It's great. It's actually not in so bad condition, but anyway, I bought new one. So I bought a new cylinder. No, new piston. I bought a new pistons for both cylinder, and all repair kit also here. And I prepared this copper washer to place it on this brake pipe. So also I bought special tool to disassemble brake caliper, and we will see now how it's work. And that's it. But in real life, no. So as you could see, here is some okay. It's not so easy how was on video, but I will try. So I will try to use pliers to make this tool a little bit, you know, make this tool a little bit better. Mhm. Oh, much better. Yes. So I believe I have this part in my repair kit. Yes, I have this new part. So this one. Yep. Looks the same. Don't know. We'll see. Yeah, this tool seems like not too deep to get the last one. Okay, what do we have here? Okay. That's easy. Someone. Hop. Nice. Okay, so we disassemble it. Let's inspect everything. Seems like okay. Yeah, this is the issue. I have no idea how to extract it. Probably the better decision was left it as is, but I already broke it, so I have to somehow to extract it. Yes! Yes! So, our brake cylinder, nice and clean, and now it's ready to be assembled. Let's start it. We finished clean up brake cylinder, and now it's clean and smooth and ready to be assembled. Let's start pushing new piston to this brake caliper. Yeah, this should be okay. Should be okay. Nice. So next one. Yeah, I believe it should be somewhere here. Like this, I believe. Okay, it seems like this dust cover sit on this place. It seems like this dust cover sits now on its place, and we could push this piston, maybe, or maybe not. Okay, probably not. Probably we should make this first, then place it now. Okay. Okay. So now it sits on its place. Everything is perfect. Let's screw this bleeder. Okay. now it sits on its place, sits perfectly fine, and sits perfectly fine, and we could assemble it. I believe this one better. Yeah, we left old one. No, it's not for this one. Okay, let's do this. Let's check first. Do I have proper washer? Apply not too much ceramic grease. Just not too much, because it could be a cause of bad squeezing, and our brake pads will be not so straight. It will be it will be with some angles, and it will be not great for brakes. a little bit thread locker. This is mid-strength thread locker. And we're ready to go to next side. But I believe no. First I have to bleed this out because I could not have enough room on that side for all of this without brakes. Let's make this